Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I'm back in the building with another freaking video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, honey boo boo. I don't know what you're waiting for, but don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna jump right into the video. Today's wig is from Asteria hair. This is what the packaging looks like. So inside of the box, why do I talk so stupid? So inside of the box we do have the contents of the packaging. They did give us a nice beautiful green silky bag to store your hair in. I love when they provide these because I know it's going to keep the hair in great condition when I'm not wearing it. Very, very beautiful. Inside here also came a wig cap, which I need. It also came with instructions on how to wash your wig. I know some people have problems and some people are new, but don't worry, they got you covered. They've included instructions, so I would advise you to read them if you do not know what you're doing. It did come with an extra elastic band just in case you know you need some extra security. Alright guys, so the star of the show is the wig. I do have their 6x6 lace closure wig. I have the hair texture of straight, so I just got some straight beautiful hair, and I've always wanted to try a lace closure wig. This hair is so freaking long, y'all. Look at this, so freaking pretty. Oh my god, y'all, I haven't had long hair in a minute. So straight out the back, she is nice and soft now, but she is so pretty. She's only blowing because I have my fan saying rain on me, so if you guys hear a noise, just know it's my fan, okay? It's my fan. But she is very soft straight out the packaging. She is nice and full from root to tip. As you guys can see, these ends is slanted. So this is the construction of the unit. I love how they constructed this, y'all. This is my first time ever having a wig that was just a closure. So it's a 6x6 closure. This it's a 6x6 lace closure. This texture of the lace is a Swiss lace. It has two combs on the sides. As you guys can see, this is bomb. I love the construction of this, sis. Look, it's really nice and neatly constructed. My wigs don't even be looking like this when I make them myself. So it does come with the comb in the back, and it also comes with drawstrings to have extra security. And like I said, they do provide you with an extra elastic band just in case your wig is too big. Whoa, y'all, look at my heat. Just kidding. Okay, we're gonna put her on. Yeah. The only thing I hate is when I put lip gloss on before I do my hair, because the lip gloss definitely sticks all over the place. All right guys, so the wig is on my head, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take my shears and cut the extra excess lace off. You do want to make sure your cutting is raggedy as possible because you want it to melt right into your skin. I know it looks a little over here because on the other side it was just, you know, bluntly straight across, but don't mind that. We're gonna go ahead and fix her up. So I'm taking some Got2b glue hairspray and just securing the closure. With this method, it's very quick. Under 10 minutes you're able to go. But if you do not want to do this way, you can also sew the elastic band onto the outside of the closure and then lay it down, and it's going to give you that same result. I really feel like with the elastic band, it's really easier on a closure versus a full lace front wig, only because you're trying to hold the entire lace down using that elastic band versus the closure, which is a little bit smaller. Is smaller in size. So yeah, just taking a little bit of foundation and adding it to the lace so it can blend more seamlessly with my skin, and I just put the wraps on and let her sit, and we're just cutting her off now because she sat for about 10-15 minutes and she good to go. So yeah, you can wear it like this. I just don't, because I just feel like I don't know, the way I cut it was a little off. So you know what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and create our middle part, and we're going to go ahead and add baby hairs. I feel like that just changes the whole game. It just changes the whole game. You can still wear the middle part without adding the baby hairs, because as you can see now, once I do a little jazzy jazz, put some foam wrap lotion on that part, and flatten it out a little bit, it doesn't look as bad, which y'all know I'm extra with the baby hairs. So sis, we gotta do it. We gotta do it. One thing I love about this wig so far is that straight out the package, sis, she's laid. Like, I didn't do any plucking. I'm telling you guys, no plucking, no bleaching the knots, no nothing. This is how she came. I'm taking my edge, I was about to say edge control brush. I'm taking my edge brush and creating baby hairs. I'm just spraying the brush with 𝚘𝚘 hairspray. This method makes your hair look more believable. I know sometimes the gel can be a little harsh, especially after it dries. It really has that thing stuck on your head and it looks a little bit hard. But the hairspray gives you that softer look. So the hold is not as long, I would say. It's long, but not as long as if you use the gel. But I've been using this method lately because it makes my baby hairs look a little bit more softer. So off camera, I did apply the scarf in that little hair strip thingy again and let it set just so it can melt into my scalp. Y'all may see a little section here where I forgot to cover the edge of the closure, so it's peeking out and it's getting on my nerves as well as yours. But we're going for vacation hair, so I'm trying to find styles that I can wear for vacation, and I wanted to buy a new set of curling ones, but I didn't have the time, so I just used my Remington curling iron and I just wrapped the hair on the outside of the barrel, opposed to going in the curling iron and creating it. So yeah, that's what the whole goal was. So far, like I said, this is my first 6x6 closure wig, or any closure wig I had, and I'm very, very impressed. I feel like this mimics, the way I styled it definitely mimics a frontal, and you can't tell me that it's not a frontal, okay, but it's a closure. The gag is, it's a closure. But I didn't have any problems with this hair at all. No problems with it tangling up on me. No problems with it shedding. I got minimal shedding, not like dramatic shedding where every time you walk your hole, you're getting like, pieces of hair just flying all over the place. I can't do that. But y'all, straight out the pack, I just knew this hair was going to be fire because of the texture. The texture is very soft and it's very silky and it's very buttery, and I just live for that. Another plus is that being that this is a straight wig, it still held the curls. The curls lasted all day. Even though they did fall, they still turned into this beautiful body wave. I was just like, sis, yes. I was super excited because you know how straight hair is. Straight hair won't be straight, so it's just going to immediately drop. But it did not. It took at least an entire day for it to drop, which was amazing. It was amazing. So overall, I am impressed with this wig. It has a 1,000 out of 10 in my book. It's definitely TJ approved. I'm trying to make sure I didn't forget anything. If I did, don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or comments. Be sure to check the description section below for any information on this hair that you might need that I didn't state. And y'all excuse my armpits, okay, because I know I'm just tri-tone. I'm all types of colors, and they just was just not looking cute, okay. There was just, so we just gonna ignore that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest. Of course, I speed through the rest of it. I just wanted you guys to see how I was creating the curls, and it was very, very simple. Just putting her on the barrel, leaving it for 10 to 15 seconds, holding it until it cools down, and letting it drop. So again, I will talk to you guys later. I got a blast. So yeah, see you in my next video, guys. And thank you guys so much for your support. I see my supporters. I see you guys.